right there, Latin 1. It's time to re-review the imperfect. Okay, so the imperfect tense, as you know, you translate it as was loving. Okay, it's in the past, but it was ongoing in the past. So the imperfect tense, I wrote down what all the steps look like. So there's amo, amare. Step 1, take the infinitive. Step 2, knock off the re. Step 3, you've got your stem, right? Ama, 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 ama. Add on your personal endings. Bam, bas, bat, bam, us, batis, bant. Bam, bas, bat, bam, us, batis, bant. So, I was loving, you were loving, he, she, it was loving, we were loving, y'all were loving, they were loving. I did it for each conjugation, figuring that it might just help you to remember. It's a good reminder, and I don't mind taking a video to do it. So, gaudeo, gaudere. Step 1, take your infinitive. Step 2, oh, I forgot to write it down. Knock off the re, and then you've got your stem. Gaude, 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 gaude. And step 3, add on bon, bas, bat. Bamus, batis, bant. Bam, bas, bat. Bamus, batis, bant. I was rejoicing, you were rejoicing, he, she, it was rejoicing, we were rejoicing, that y'all were rejoicing, and they were rejoicing. This is why I don't say was being glad, because it's just way too clunky, okay? But I was rejoicing. So there you go. Let's take a look at thirds. Now there's two different kinds of thirds, so forgive me for crowding it a little bit. Step 1, take your infinitive. Traho, trahara turns to trahara. Step 2, knock off the re. Step 3, add on your personal endings. Trahe, 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 trahe. These are your stems. Trahe bam, trahe bas, trahe bat. Trahe bamus, trahe batis, trahe bant. Bam, bas, bat. Bamus, batis, bant. I was dragging, you were dragging, he, she, it was dragging, we were dragging, y'all were dragging, they were dragging. Now, if you have an IO of the third, remember, it's slightly different. So, conspicio, conspicere, step 1, knock off the re. Step 2, step 1, take the infinitive. Step 2, knock off the re. Step 3, replace the e at the end of that with an ie. So, conspicie, 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 conspicie. So it's conspicie bam, conspicie bas, conspicie bat, conspicie bamus, conspicie batis, conspicie bant. Bam, bas, bat. Bamus, batis, bant. So, I was dragging, you were dragging, he, she, it was dragging, we were dragging, y'all were dragging, they were dragging. I was spotting, you were spotting, he, she, it was spotting. We were spotting, y'all were spotting, they were spotting. Fourth conjugation. Venio, venire. Step 1, take your infinitive. Step 2, knock off the re. Step 3, you got to make sure you add on that ie to replace the I, right? So venie, 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 venie. So venie bam, venie bas, venie bat, venie bamus, venie batis, venie bant, right? Because it's add on the personal endings. Bam, bas, bat, bamus, batis, bant. I was coming, you were coming, he, she, it was coming, we were coming, y'all were coming, they were coming. That's it. Now, what I would like you to do is go back over pages 106 to 107, copy down those charts one more time, and then read page 108 and do the same thing, copy down that chart. And when you're done with that, do exercises 14B, 14C, and 14D. All right? 14B, very simple, tabellarium liberi spectabant. The children were watching the courier. Done. Piece of cake. 14C, you got to pick the right answer. So please highlight for me the proper answer and then translate it. Okay, so tabellarius equos ferociter incitabat. The courier was spurring the horses fiercely. Okay, and 14D, supply the appropriate imperfect tense endings and then translate it. So tabellarius mutas epistulas ab urbe, and then you're just going to highlight the whole word, portabat. Okay, so the courier was carrying many letters from the city. So 14B, 14C, 14D. Okay, I'm going to hit the button.